in a small town. Just a good old boy driving along the dirt road. Well, looked like trouble incoming. Well, ain't scared of nothing. Hope he is thirsty. Engine is from a Suzuki LT 125, 11 horsepower, 5-speed with reverse, rear differential chain drive, rear and front suspension. Also have a rack and pinion for steering, rear disc brake. Forgot to mention the engine is at the front. Stay tuned, folks. The next video is the full build of the micro car. Thanks for watching. Drive safely and take care.